Welcome back to Phinys Garage. It's Gray here, and today we're going to be doing some more work on my 1999 Mitsubishi Montero. What we're going to do is we are going to take the end caps here that I painted, and this one over here, yes, it is right next to my 2012 GT Mustang tailgate spoiler thing. But what we are going to do is we are going to touch up, I think, that one, because one of these has like some rust on it, which makes no sense because it's plastic. But let me see here. I think it's this one. There. I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can't. Let me zoom in for you. Yeah, you can see it right there. There's like rust, and I tried wiping it off, but I just can't get it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch it up with a little bit of silver paint, let it dry for a little bit. But the plan is to clear coat these so that they don't fade in the sun. Once they're clear coated and dried and cured, then we can go put them back on the car. This one needs paint. So what I'm going to do is this one's going to be painted outside, and while it's drying, I'm going to clear coat this one. I think I just created a new genius in setup. So I was trying to figure out how I was going to clear this thing, because I would prefer, to hang it, upside down so I could get all the sides without having to, do one side and then do the underside. When I hang it, at least, it doesn't give me a good visual representation of like what's wet, what's not wet, what's been sprayed, what hasn't been sprayed. So I needed to stand it up like this, but I couldn't figure out how do I do this. Well, I found some car washing soap and just put it underneath there, and I'm like, boom. I was really hoping I didn't get any runs, but unfortunately I did. So I'll have to go and wet sand those down once this fully cures in 24 hours. Just hope that the next time that I put clear coat on this, I don't have any runs. I ended up getting that run out, which was perfect, amazing. I'm so glad I got that out. I also got this run out as well. Awesome. A little bit of orange peel left, but I'm not too keen on getting it all out because orange peel is natural on older cars. So to me, it's like, it just gives it character. I am ready to do clear coat again.
Be fucking real, man. Come on.
And so far, I don't see any orange peel, which I'm so glad about. And I didn't put heavy enough coats on to cause any runs. Now all I have to do is let this cure for 48 hours. Then I'm going to wet sand it, and then we can install them back on the car and get the bumper reassembled. And then we can get the bumper put back on the car, and then the back of the car will look really good because, it won't be bare anymore. So it's going to be really, really good looking. It's going to look just like that one over there. but it's gonna be right here, and it's gonna be new paint and shiny chrome, so it's gonna be awesome looking. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you want to see more videos about my 1999 Mitsubishi Montero, make sure to subscribe to Phinys Garage. But guys, until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.